Do it hard.
Can't do it hard.
With your bag.
Huh?
Put your bag down. Did Mama cut your hair?
No.
Oh, it looks pretty. Come on.
Okay.
Shall we go? I like your shoes.
Thank you. I have silver shoes.
Silver slippers.
Silver.
Look how pretty in the sunlight.
Hey,
Out in the sun, look how pretty. Wow. And white socks.
hey, I'm bigger, so I can do this. So I'm bigger. I'm bigger, so
You are bigger and you can do everything now.
I can do everything like this.
Plie. Can you plie? Gracie, here comes a truck. Come over here. Run. There we go. Good job. Oh, he's backing up.
Where's he going somewhere?
I guess he's going to work.